What is going on, guys? Long time no see. I have been missing in action for quite some time. Well, to start things off, welcome to 2025. This might be a little bit of a cliche video, but I want to, share what I'll be doing this year. Hopefully, uploading more content. My resolution is going to be a little bit more consistency. Sharing a little bit more with the gardening, posting more videos, maybe even, branching out to doing some self-care or home care type of videos. I believe I took like probably a few months break in actually posting videos, and I don't know if it's due to burnout or the weather being super cold. It's like 20 something degrees right now, so my hands are pretty much freezing. And the reason for this video is because every now and then I would get comments or messages from viewers like you guys, the one that actually stuck around from the very beginning, or throughout my YouTube journey, of asking me, when are you going to post your next video? When are you going to post your next short? Something about gardening, anything at all. They miss those type of videos, and it's actually kind of motivating. It's nice to get those type of messages. So it really does push me to want to create more content and share with you guys, and hopefully I can build that consistency again and get back into the passion of creating videos and sharing my joy in gardening and just a little bit of everything in life. And with this being the first video of the year, let's take a look at what my garden actually looks like at the moment. With a quick overscan right now, you can still see I am still actually growing some stuff. So like, for example, right here, some lettuces right here, they're still growing extremely well, even though the weather is extremely cold. Over here, the Swiss chards are still growing okay. I got some greens right here. I had radishes that I harvested already. Everything else is pretty much dead, like right there, that was my okra plant that was giving me so many okras non-stop. Over here as well too, these two okra plants are dead. Banana plant is also dead. Here are 3 blueberry plants that are basically hibernating, I would say. They're still alive though, they're not dead, so that's always a good thing. This right here is my mulberry tree. Well, mulberry plant, because I don't think it's big enough to be considered a tree yet, but it did produce fruits for me last summer, so hopefully this upcoming summer it will get even bigger and provide me with some more mulberries. They were very delicious, even though it was like very few. Now I do have a lot of cleaning to do. You can see these are tomato plants that are absolutely dead. Hydrogenes that are, they'll come back for sure. I think this was a pepper plant. I think it's a pepper plant right here. You can actually see a really old dried pepper right there. These right over here are snap peas that are basically dying off. And over here is my fig plant. You can see they're still alive because there are some green tips right there. Let me see if I can, there we go, you can see it. So it is still alive. Hopefully this year it will provide with some more figs for sure. Luckily they did provide with some figs a couple months ago, and they were absolutely delicious. They were like really small though, but packed a lot of flavor. So that right there is a brief overview of my garden at the moment. With the next couple of months being extremely cold and a cold front coming through, I don't expect a lot of stuff to be growing anyways, but hopefully I can find some other content to share with you guys. Again, thank you as always for watching my videos, enjoying my content, and it is really motivating. So hopefully you guys enjoy my future content, and as always, take it easy.